Title of the study, The Implementation of the Comprehensive Water Sanitation and Hygiene in Schools Program in Silangan Elementary School. Proponents, Nita T. Dalo and Mercy D. Udee. Rationale. Hygiene and sanitation are essential to good health. Adequate water supply and adequate toilets and proper hand washing facilities are required to achieve good hygiene and sanitation. The lack of access to these facilities is not enough to achieve better hygiene and sanitation among the community members. Proper and correct practices in the use of these facilities must be practiced to maximize the benefits and achieve the impact to the well-being of the community. DepEd Order Number 10 Series of 2016. Hygiene and sanitation challenges have caused many children in developing countries to fall ill and even die from infection with intestinal parasites, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. This study intended to assess the implementation of the WINS program in Silangan Elementary School. The findings of the study will serve as the basis for an action plan to improve further the implementation of the WINS program. Illiterature. The Department of Education had endeavored to bridge the gap in the pupil-to-goal ratio in the country's public elementary schools, which as of 2015 was 1:36. The department also partnered with the stakeholders to vigorously promote correct hand washing practices among school children. Department Order 65, Series of 2009. Best practices around the world have shown that improving access to and use of water and sanitation facilities within schools and enhancing hygiene and sanitation practices can effectively hold water and sanitation-related diseases. Methodology. The researchers employed the descriptive research method, the standardized survey questionnaire, and weighted mean. 30 teachers were included as respondents to the study. Findings. Weighted mean was used to analyze the data. The following range and interpretation were used to interpret the results of the study. Highly implemented, very much implemented, implemented, moderately implemented, not implemented. This is the data of the assessment of the implementation of the WINS program by the teachers. The data seems to show that the teachers assess the implementation of WINS program is implemented. This means that there is a need to improve its implementation for the health and safety of the pupils, teachers, and other school personnel and the community where the school is located. This is very important because we are still in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the results of the study, we came up with an action plan to improve further the implementation of the WINS program. For the implication, the results of the study could be highly significant and beneficial, especially to the following: school principals, teachers, pupils, parents, and community and future researchers. They can review, improve, and adapt the implementation of the comprehensive water, sanitation, and hygiene in schools program as basis for continuous improvement. For the conclusions, based on the findings of the study, the following conclusions were made. Number one, the areas of the WINS program, namely water, sanitation, hygiene, and health education are implemented. 1.1, the area of deworming is very much implemented. Recommendations. Based on the conclusions, the following recommendations were made. The proposed action plan be considered and implemented. The results of the study be presented to the WINS coordinator and all stakeholders for discussion and planning. Here are some of the references we used in our study. Thank you very much and God bless.